Are your shirts all squished in your drawers like this? Well, I've got 3 easy ways to show you how to fold your t-shirts, make it more efficient and less wrinkled. So stay tuned. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers, and today I'm talking about folding t-shirts. Now most of us have our certain ways that we fold them, but it might not be the best way. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to make it nice and easy. They're quick. Plus, they're going to help with less wrinkles on your t-shirts. Okay, the first one I'm going to talk about is actually, it's the chest fold. Now, you can stand up while doing this. So I've got my t-shirt here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around so that the logo is on the front. Now, we're going to flip it sideways, and we're going to make sure that our sleeve is going to be on the back side. Just like this, all right? Now we're going to cross it over, and as you can see, it's going to make almost like a square, and then we're going to flip it in, and there you have it. Your nice chest fold t-shirt, perfect, ready to go into your drawer. All right, the next one I'm going to show you is the pinch fold. Now this one, it's going to look tricky, but I promise you once you get it, you're going to be able to get the hang of it, and it is super fast. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your hand, you're going to want to pinch the top part of your t-shirt. Then you're going to take your right hand and pinch the middle part, all right? And then watch, super quick, you're going to twist the t-shirt up. And there you have it. And you can do that for each one, super fast. I'm actually going to show it one more time for you, okay? You're going to want your logo to also be on the front of the table so that when you're folding it, when you stick it into your drawer, you'll be able to see what t-shirt it is. All right, again, take that left hand, pinch up at the top, pinch up it right here into the middle. You're going to take the left hand and pinch down into the bottom part. Once again, there we got it. All right, nice and easy. Quickly, you could do this with all your t-shirts in a super fast way, and then get them into your drawer quickly. Our last one is the KonMari method. Now, this is from Marie Kondo, and she's super popular right now about organizing. She's got this really funky way that you can fold your t-shirts, and it is really cool. You're going to be able to put tons of t-shirts in your drawers. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place your t-shirt flat down, logo on the front side of the table, and we're going to take our sleeve, our left side, we're going to go over. You can start on the right side. It really doesn't matter. Fold that sleeve over. Do the exact same on the other side. Fold that sleeve over just like this. We're going to take our bottom part of our t-shirt and come all the way up. All right. And then it's almost like you're going to make 2 invisible lines. And you're going to fold in towards you and then fold in again towards you. And this is the KonMari method. And what she does is she also makes like a teepee inside your drawer. And each of your t-shirts are side by side, so you'll know exactly what you see. All right, guys, those are my 3 ways to fold a t-shirt, fast and efficient, plus no wrinkles. I hope that you found this helpful. If so, you can give us some thumbs up. You can follow us on YouTube at Wardrobe Hackers. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.